You're having a really hard time figuring out when to water your philodendrons, go ahead, sit back and pay attention to these tips. So I got a heartleaf philodendron and a philodendron Brazil. One of the first things you can see, remember this, when the plant gets parched, the leaves start to arch. When the plant gets parched, leaves start to arch, curl left, right, up, down, doesn't matter. If you're still confused, that's okay. Take your plant clamp and clamp that bitch. Because when philodendrons get really parched, they curl inward, so you'll find it easily to clamp them vertically. Another thing, the higher the leaf, the closer to God. And right now, those bitches are on a highway to hell. If you're still confused, they got that droop, go ahead, check that soil. If it's droopy and dry, 2 knuckles deep, you're going to want to water that guy. Droopy and dry, water that guy. Remember that. And then it's important to familiarize yourself with the weight of your plant before and after you water. So you saw that macrame had a lot of give to it. Go ahead, water, let it soak up that water, and then weigh it afterwards. Look, that macrame has no fucking give. It's so heavy and dense. Let that sit while I'm at it. I'll water those pothos, let those hoes sit overnight, and bing, bang, boom. Just like Jesus, that bitch rose from the tomb. That's so horrible. But yeah, it's super easy.